Hey everybody, it's Outland. How's it going? And today I'm doing a very special collaboration with these fine channels. And we're going to be talking about amazing camp meals that you can make that aren't out of a bag. I'm talking about not a Mountain House or Packet Gourmet or anything like that. This is stuff that you can make with ingredients right out of your kitchen. Probably most of you have everything in your kitchen that I'm going to show you today. And a lot of people are talking about dinners and things like that. Today I'm going to be talking to you about dessert. So let's get to it. Okay, the ingredients for this are extremely simple, and really it doesn't get much simpler than this. You probably have all these ingredients already in your cupboard, so go check them out. What you're going to need is the following: a tube of crescent rolls, a packet of chocolate mix, or Nutella in my case, some crushed up graham crackers, and marshmallows. That's all you really need. Okay, for this demonstration I'm going to be using my MSR Pocket Rocket 2 stove. You can use pretty much any stove you want. You can also use a grate or a grill, which I don't really have anything to put over this. So what I'm going to use today is I'm going to use a skillet. Now I normally wouldn't pack a skillet out into the woods with me, but I do have a lightweight backpacking skillet that I can take, or I could use one of my Toke's pots or something like that. I just don't have one of those items with me on this hike. There we go. I'm gonna take my crescent roll dough, like that. I'm just going to kind of spread this out, kind of knead it a little bit, just to give it some shape. Doesn't have to be perfect. Okay, once I've got that the way I like it, I'm going to put this on heat for about a minute. Now I'm going to take it, I'm going to flip it. Doesn't look super pretty, but trust me, it's going to be amazing. Turn down the heat a little bit. I'm going to make sure I get all the ends nice and cooked. While it's doing that, I'm going to take my Nutella or hot chocolate sauce, we're going to take our marshmallows and graham cracker crumbs and just pour them over like that. Doesn't have to be perfect by any means. Turn the heat off. All right, let's give it a try, see how it is, huh? Good. It's real good. Not bad at all. Okay, everybody, well, that's a really fun, easy dessert or breakfast or whatever you want to make it. Dinner, if you want it, that you can make out in the trail. Simple ingredients, super easy. It takes like 2 minutes to make. Super fun. I really enjoyed it. Very special thanks to Outside Magazine for that recipe. That's where I got that from. Make sure you check out all the other amazing channels that are doing this collaboration with me. I'll put the links to their channels down below. Everybody's doing something really amazing. Probably a lot more amazing than what I'm showing you today, but make sure you check them out. And as always, be sure to like, share, comment, subscribe, all that fun stuff. Thank you very much for watching, guys. I'll talk to you real soon.